Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. Just want to show you guys the, the project I'm working on, the Porsche 996 turbo here. This one here. So this is the actual turbo, was fully stripped down and rebuilt for us. So we had to send the turbo away and get that fully rebuilt, high float, and interior as for the, look at that blade on that. Wow. I don't even have to spin it. It just moves by itself. It's crazy. Look at that. Beautiful. And then look at the back. So basically this turbo is high float, so it's going to have more horsepower for this vehicle. We're going to get the tune file once we finish everything. When we get close to it, we're going to get the tune file as well to match the turbo, so everything will run smoothly as well. So I ordered some of those small little vacuum hoses. See all these lines here? That one there, that goes to here, that goes to there. I ordered, unfortunately, I can't really tell which one is broken, which one needs to be replaced until I strip down the top intake manifold. I've got new gaskets, I've got new boots, all this little boot here I'm getting as well, and then the new oil cooler, this is leaking already. So I've got this one here. This is basically a 20 plus years old car, and when you disassemble the engine, you've got to go through and see what needs to be changed, and if any hoses or anything that's perished or start to actually perish or start to go, you need to replace them. Otherwise you put everything back together and the car start running rough after like 6 to 10 months of the customer driving the vehicle, because it takes time, and then you wish you'd done it when the engine was out. That's why it's taking a long time to do it. Even this accumulator for the clutch, that looks really old as well. I'm not sure. I'm thinking maybe this is a common problem as well. So once you open them up, they don't bleed anymore because the internal of the actual accumulator doesn't really move. The seal, the little valve inside, what they call it. And then it's just it's one of those things, once you open it up, then you know what needs to be done as well. So yeah, but going back to the turbo, if you saw this turbo when we gave it to the guy, this you will never know. This is a different turbo, but the same turbo, but different look. By the look of it, it looks nice and basically looks brand new. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.